Hey, how's it going everyone? In today's video, I want to talk about mistakes that I made while vlogging. And one of the biggest ones that I've made is that I actually thought that you needed to actually go to places that are special or do something special in order to vlog about it. And that was one of the biggest mistakes that I've made. The reason why I say this is because it's actually impossible to continue that on a constant basis. In order to vlog every day or vlog multiple times a day, you really need something that's a little bit more consistent. So what I would recommend is not trying to actually go to a new place and vlogging about it. You can do those for special places, but really what you want to do is to have something that's very consistent and that's easy for you to reproduce every single week. Now, don't get me wrong, going out to places and enjoying yourself and vlogging about it is super cool, and you should totally do it anytime you get. But the problem is that when I first started vlogging and I was really motivated to go out and do some really cool vlogs, it was great for the first few weeks, but it starts to drag on you because you have to be out there constantly. You have to plan for stuff. You have to drive out to those events, and it's really hard to do that. What you really want is a consistent vlogging base. And if you look at all of the big channels, they actually have a vlog that they do that's kind of, at their home or at their home base or at their studios. And that's what you really need. You need to actually have a place where you can do a consistent vlog, and then you can go out and enjoy yourself and do really fun vlogs, but they're kind of special moments. You're not really stressed about having to do it all the time or needing to plan something every week, because unless it's your full-time job, unless you have all the time in the world, it's just impossible to do. I have a full-time job. YouTube is kind of a hustle thing. This is an after-hours hustle, and I can't actually go out there and do it every time. So biggest mistake I made when I started was trying to make my vlogs too special. What you want is consistency. What you want is a strong base that you can actually start from, and then from there you can build from it. You can go out there, have fun, do other things, and from there it'll get much easier and you'll enjoy yourself a whole lot more. The last thing I would like to say about this is that when you actually make your consistent base, whatever it is, you want it at a place that you're really comfortable in. It should be your own home or your own studio, someplace that you don't have to worry about other people or other distractions, a place that's really easy for you to work in, that you can be really loose at. Because one of the stressful things about doing things like out here where there's people is that you're kind of conscious that other people are looking at you and they don't know what you're doing, and it could be a little bit weird, and you don't really want that. So just really think about how you want to start your vlogs, and then from there you can grow out to something that's a little bit more public. That's really all I have. If you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any suggestions on how to improve upon this, I would definitely like to hear it. But that's all I have for today. Definitely leave the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.